Welcome to DLM Campervans. Today we have a 2022 silver metallic Ford Transit Connect with our Mini-T conversion. We are the manufacturer. All Mini-T conversions are the same. The difference is the features of the vehicle. The Mini-T conversion includes solar, over-the-air antenna, max air fan, sharp power plug, hitch. Ford Transit Connect has 2,000 pound towing capacity. Hitch works great for a bike rack or a swing away cargo carrier. This Transit Connect came with a lift gate. It works great as an awning. Inside you have a thermostatically controlled Dometic refrigerator, microwave, sink, hand pump faucet, fresh water and gray water, LED lighting, couch that folds out into a 43 by 72 inch bed, vinyl flooring, front privacy curtain, also front WeatherTech sunshades. The rear windows are limo-tinted, so you can see out, but people can't see in unless you have a bright light. TV DVD player, dual house batteries, 2,000 watt inverter, which allows you to run your microwave even if you're not plugged in. Under bed storage. Here the bed is in the 43 by 72 inch position. Benefits of a Mini-T is you can use it as a daily driver, 24 to 28 miles to the gallon. There's dual house batteries. So this little van has more power than most large RVs. Check out all the details, www.dlm-distribution.com. Give us a call, 507-382-9446 or 651-285-7089. Happy camping!